Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm going to be explaining the behavior of economic growth of a company. First, if we want to make more production, we need more supply of natural resources. That will make us affect the environment, so we'll have less capacity of environment. With less capacity of environment, we will going to have less natural resources availability that will affect on our production capacity. We will have less production capacity, so our production will be less. And this is going to be a balanced model, dynamic model. Then, for the other side, if we have more demand, we're going to increase sales. If we need to make more products because we have more sales, we need to increase production. With more production, we're going to have more economic growth, so we're going to have more money in our company. So we're going to be able to invest more in research and development to develop new products, and then by that, have more advertising to show to our new clients our new products, so we will have more demand. This is a reinforced model.
Now we're going to explain a dynamic model that shows the internal and external cost of a product or a service in an organization. When the demand requires production, this production is going to be needed availability in raw materials. Raw materials is going to need human resources to be able to process the raw material. To be able to process the raw material is going to require water, energy, gas, and other services. These three are going to create an internal cost. After the finished goods are created, they're going to have to go into inventory. This inventory as well is going to create an internal cost. There are other variables that might affect your other variables like global warming. Global warming might create a difference in the raw material which may increment or decrement your internal cost. When it comes to time to product, you're going to create some waste. This waste is going to be pollution. It can be divided into water pollution or air pollution. These two may create fines. These fines are going to be counted as an external cost. Other variables that may be external costs are like land use. Land use come along with taxes. The company is going to have a pressure to clean up the environment. This pressure is going to create an effort, and you will end up cleaning the environment by different ways. You may recycle your raw material, which is going to create an external cost. Although this raw material may be used as well in your production and will take down your external cost.
So, because you have much and a lot of internal costs caused by all these variables, you as a company would like to minimize your costs. So you will invest in operation research to minimize your cost, but this is going to cost you some money, but it will benefit you by resource optimization. With resource optimization, you're going to reduce your internal costs. So and then you're going to reduce how much you research. Now, when you invest in resource optimization, you might also reduce your impact on the environment. And then you will be contributing to the recycle government regulation. There's a big pressure from outside, from different organizations, to clean up the environment. So you as a company will decide how much effort you will make or invest to clean up the environment. This is going to cost you some external costs, but at the same time it will benefit you because the government regulation will charge you less money or will help you with taxes or some other kind of.
Is a model that explains the behavior of social responsibility in the company. The corporate social responsibility have a company perception that need the investors and the clients. The clients create more sales, create profits, and create more capital, and this increase business process re-engineering. This make the more investments, payment to employees, developing green teach, that is the staff training, and the research and development. This is to approach to the corporate social responsibility, and the investors make more capital to make the business process reengineering, and then create new products to make more clients, and the dynamic process continue with the model.
Okay, in this model, we're going to expose how you make prestige of a university involving the following stock units. Students, professionals, 3 years period graduation, professionals, 8 years fired are unsuccessful, 8 years successful professionals, tech incomes, and professors. So, as you can see, students increase. It's affected by susceptible high school graduates that will, multiplying by the enrollment rate, you're going to generate more students. If you have more students in a university, you're going to have more prestige because students are going to talk about your university in a well manner, or depending how well they talk. Now, students come to be professionals. If they got here to be professionals with the student rate of professionals, they make more prestige increase even than students, because professionals are the ones that are in the enterprise working. Then these professionals can be fired or unsuccessful, or can be successful professionals or in very high points of management. This is going to make more prestige for Tech University, as well as the fired and unsuccessful is going to affect on prestige decrease. Then we have professors stock unit. Professor stock unit will increase. We have susceptible professors that are ready to teach, but Tech de Monterrey has a recruit rate of professors that's going to contract depending on their capabilities. If you have good professors, you're going to have a prestige increase. By having good professors, having good education, and making more prestige, you will have more students, and more students will impact in more profit rate. With more profit rate, you can have more tech incomes, and with incomes, you can invest in hiring new and better professors. And it's like a reinforced cycle. If you can see, this program works perfectly fine. And you can simulate it, and you can show the graph of tech prestige. It's an exponential graph because it can show you how more students come. In this case, we started in the value of 0, so it will take longer to get prestige. But once it gets some prestige, it will be exponential. Thank you for watching.